you don't know what it is as yet. I'm not gonna tell you guys. I think you'll just see when the set. I can't even say that, but you'll see. I got it. Just know that I've got it. We're taking off, baby. Let's do this shit. Sure. You can. Yo, father. Okay, I just got home. I think you guys know, man. I think you have an idea. I'm so excited. I don't show that I can't. But for the big reveal, let me switch on the lights, bro. Holla. This is the setup. Oh my god. The boss is me, bro. Yeah.